Hello everyone! Welcome to Online Mosaic School. My name is Evgenia Kotsubinski. In this video, you will learn how to make this beautiful, shining, juicy mosaic heart, even if you have no experience and have never tried making mosaic. You could do this with the help of my do-it-yourself mosaic kit. Check the links in the description to this video. And let's see what's in the kit. This mosaic kit contains a wooden heart base, glass mosaic, PVA glue, spreader, a ribbon, sandpaper, and a sheet of instructions. This kit is available for purchase in my Etsy shop. Check the links in the description to this video. Let's start creating mosaic. Before you start working, I want you to pour the mosaic pieces onto a plate or a table. Look at the pieces and turn them whichever side you want up. There are several types of glass: mirror, iridescent, plate, etc. Open the glue bottle and apply a generous, even layer over about a quarter area of a wooden base. Do not cover the whole base at once. You can also apply a drop of glue over each piece of glass to its bottom side, and then put it on the base in a random order with right side up. It is recommended to leave 1 mm spare of the outside base edge. Transfer glass pieces onto the glued base in a random order. Try to fit them by shape and color. First along the edge and then inwards. Repeat on the next area until the whole heart is covered with mosaic. You may use craft tweezers to move the glass pieces until they match the right position. Allow several hours to completely dry. Overnight is perfect. Grind slightly the glass edges with a sandpaper to make them less sharp. Wipe the mosaic with a damp cloth to clean the excessive glue. Thread the ribbon through the hole and hang the heart. Congratulations! You have made your heart mosaic! I hope you enjoyed making mosaic with me, and you are welcome to check other mosaic kits like pomegranate, apple mosaic, mandala, hamsa, and so on. You can find the links in the description to the video. Please subscribe to my channel and give me a thumb up. See you in the next tutorials. Bye bye!